Right, during your time of home learning, it's really important to eat healthily, and your parents will give you all sorts of stuff to make that happen. But let's say they give you an orange, and you don't like an orange. I've come up with an invention to help you out. This is the Fruit Swapper 4000. So we don't like our orange, we place it in our machine, and it comes out as a banana. We don't like bananas, so we place it back in, and we come up with a grapefruit. We don't like grapefruit, so we place that back in, and we come out with a lemon. But nobody really likes lemons, so let's try one more time. Two pear. Still working on some improvements. Okay, welcome to another lesson in our home learning journey. I hope you're enjoying this project so far. We're certainly enjoying seeing some of the results and seeing some of the responses that you are putting in. A lot of you are being very creative. Well done, creating some new designs of flat pack furniture. I've seen some great sketching being done and also some great modelling techniques being demonstrated also. What I would like us to do today is continue with our journey along the thinking about our models. The models are a great way of you being able to practice and being able to test whether some of your your ideas are going to be successful. You can learn only so much by drawing on paper before it's best to go on to sort of modelling and test out whether your ideas are actually going to work in 3 dimensions. There's lots of things you can test. You can test the stability. You can see actually how the product will physically look and maybe go together, and learn a lot more from actually making models. What I want us to do today is really analyze that and consider what you've learned from your models. So I'm hoping last lesson you finished your paper models and you took a load of photographs. I would like you please to put those photographs, if you haven't done already, onto one of the pages of your presentation, just like I've done here. Arrange different photographs of the different models I made. And then I really want you to analyze it. So I put 2 boxes on my piece of paper with some prompts here that you can use. So what did I do to make my models? So I'm going to add in a descriptive bit of writing here about what I did, the process I went through, my thought process, my thinking processes to make these models, perhaps what materials I used, what joining methods I actually thought about from the previous lesson, how I thought about it going together, the different parts perhaps that went into making it. Try and be as detailed as you can, thinking about what you actually did. And then arguably more important, in this bottom box under here, I want you to talk about what you learned from making your models, and also what changes you'll make to your models or your designs as a result of making those models. Okay, what I'm hoping to see is by making these models, it actually taught you something about your design. It might be something quite simple. It might be that your ideas aren't going to work at all, and you're only going to have to go back to the drawing board. All right, but what I'd like to see is you really thinking and having a look in depth at the models you've made and analysing those. Okay, so 2 things to do today. 1, write down a descriptive comment about the process you went through, and then 2, about what you did or what you learn as a result of making those models and the changes you will make to your designs later on. Okay, so what I'd like you to do is get this piece of work done and then upload it to today's assignment, and this is all about paper model analysis. Okay, I hope you're enjoying this project so far, and see you next time.